Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the null and the undefined in JavaScript. Okay, we have seen undefined before in some occasions, but we haven't discussed about the null at all. Okay, so let's see both of them in action. So in JavaScript, null is a primitive value that represents the intentional absence of any object value. Okay, so what exactly do I mean? So for example, you are building an application here. Let's do something like let user, and until the user has logged in, the user can be absent, right? So we do not have any data for the user. Okay, so in that case, we can use null. So we are here representing the user by null. That means there is no user currently right now. When, for example, the user logs in, then what you can do something like this: let user, or let's do not let the user equals to something like John. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So in JavaScript, null is a primitive value that represents the intentional absence of any object value, and most of the time we set the null value ourselves. Okay, JavaScript rarely gives us the null value. All right, so this is the null in action. So let's comment these things out. Now let's discuss about the undefined. In JavaScript, undefined is a primitive data type and a global property that automatically signifies the absence of any assigned value. Okay, so it is automatic, right? The undefined is automatic, and we have seen undefined here as well. So if I just do something like this, so let message equals to hello, and then we can do something like this. So let's do console log of message of, let's do 100. Then we are getting undefined. That means there is no value at the 100th index of this particular message string. Okay, so this is how the undefined works. And many of the times when there is no defined value for the variables, okay, there is no assigned value or the defined value, we will get undefined from JavaScript itself. Okay, so we can do something like this here as well. So remember this user, let's define the user here, let user, and we will not assign any value to it at all. So here the user will be undefined, and then if I just console log the user, this is now undefined. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I know this is a little bit complicated and a little bit hard to understand the proper difference between the null and the undefined. It will come to you naturally when you will be working with the JavaScript for a long period of time. Okay, so here in this video we have discussed about the null and the undefined. In JavaScript, null is a primitive value that represents the intentional absence of any object value. Okay, and in JavaScript, undefined is a primitive data type and a global property that automatically signifies the absence of an assigned value. Okay, so in this video we have learned about the null and the undefined in JavaScript.